Hey students, now we move into the graph portion of the test. Let's take a look over here. Number 2. The graph below shows the number of students in Mr. Clark's classroom each year. So let's take a look of this graph. The title of the graph is Number of Students in Mr. Clark's Classroom, and we have the year 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012. So how do you read this? I love it when you could come over here, use your pen or pencil, draw a line from this point to the corresponding number. So for the first one, I would definitely do it this way. I would draw a line and come all the way over and write 10 above it. That's where uh, the number is for 2009. Now for 2010, this is kind of easy to see. The number is 15. For 2011, we're not really sure what number this is, exact number, but we know that it's going to be less than 20 and more than 15 because this blue bar falls above 15 and below 20. See, 20, 15. So let's get the intelligent guess. Let's say this number is 18. It could be, 17, 19, depending on where the bar is. I'm not quite sure, but you don't need to be exactly sure. You just need to know which range it falls under. Now, the year 2012, look over here. Wow, that's more than 20 people. So let's say 21, maybe 21 or maybe 22. Okay, let's look at the first question. In what year did Mr. Clark have more than 20 students in his class? Okay, 2009, there's only 10. 2010, okay, 15. That's not more than 20. 2011, okay, 18. Even though we're not 100% sure, but we know it's definitely not 20. Therefore, it's not this year either. 2012, hey, above the line right here. That's what tells you that the answer is 2012. And that is exactly what you should have written. Okay, the second part of the question says, how has the number of students changed over the years? Now, if we're starting from 2009 and go all the way to 2012, you can see that we're getting, is that more kids or fewer kids? That's definitely more, right? We're going from 10 to 15 to 18 maybe and to 21 maybe. So it's getting more and more kids every year. So you can actually just write here, more kids or students. That's better. Every year. And that would be okay. All right, that's how you complete number 2. Please take a look at number 3. Use, use the picture graph below to answer the question. So this is the picture graph right here, the picture we need to look at. Number of each pets. Each one of these blue dots represent one pet. We have 4 students here, Gary, Malik, Isaac, and Christian. Before I even go on any further, I always want to come over here and figure out how many pets they each have. So Gary, let's just count. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm sorry, I should count like this. This is better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Gary has got 6 pets. Malik, 1, 2, and 3. Isaac, 1, 2, 3, 4. Christian, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the question states, what is the difference? Okay, we need to subtract here because the word difference between the greatest number of pets and the least number of pets. So we need to use the greatest number of pets, subtract the least number of pets. So who has the greatest number of pets? 6, 3, 4, 5. This is the largest number. Therefore, we're going to use that as the greatest number of pets. That's 6 minus the least. Which one is the smallest or has the fewest number of pets? 3. Now, 6 minus 3, the answer is 3. Therefore, we pick B as our answer. And that is how you do number 3. Let's take a look of number 4. We will actually start that on the next section.